Charles Hoskinson just revealed something about Elon Musk. Could it impact Cardano's price to skyrocket soon? Stay tuned to find out. Elon Musk is the face of the movements he builds and delegates to. It couldn't matter what Tesla is doing with AI or The Boring Company or Neuralink without talking about how they're making implantable brain devices and how they're boring underground tunnels. By no means does no one possess a monopoly aside from Elon. After all, other people are developing battery cars, other people are developing reusable rockets, and other people are developing brain implants. Musk has a unique skill in that he can live in two worlds. First, the engineering world involves designing and building products, and then he can live in the Steve Jobs world, which deals with marketing and bringing money to those endeavors, and he can persuade people to stick with it despite the length of the tail. Tesla is just around the corner, and they've already made great strides. Further, Model S is out, the autonomous driving is improving greatly. However, that is just the tip of the iceberg. Though it will take decades to realize that tail fully, he has the passion and fanaticism required. He seems to be able to do this so far by getting out of the way and letting the engineers do their jobs. Therefore, as a conduit for transformation, Musk can effectively make things happen in industry after industry. Despite speculation that Twitter will reject Elon Musk's bid outright, recent reports suggest that the firm might consider selling a 100% stake in the microblogging platform to the Tesla CEO and founder. But they do indeed sell Twitter to Musk. In the meantime, before this, a Wall Street Journal report claims the Twitter board has started discussing whether Musk should be allowed to purchase the microblogging platform. After the Tesla CEO presented the company's shareholders with details of his $43 billion bid, and the board of directors began considering the deal. Having clarified to shareholders the financial details of his bid, calls have been made to the board, which has been urged not to let the opportunity slip away. In the meantime, Charles Hoskinson, the CEO of Input-Output Global, the company doing research and development for Cardano, has reacted to reports that the Twitter board is considering Musk's offer. He shared a GIF on Twitter showing that he is truly comfortable and enjoying the moment while working with Musk on creating a decentralized social media platform. Aside from this, Hoskinson earlier said that he would be interested in developing such a platform with Musk. Musk plans to buy Twitter because he wants to promote free speech on the service and eliminate spam bots that scammers have used to defraud cryptocurrency investors. As part of his recent announcement, Musk said that he would wage war against Twitter bots once his bid is accepted, thus making the platform safer for everyone, including cryptocurrency investors. Ultimately, Hoskinson believes that approval of this bid would be a win for the cryptocurrency industry, as it would reduce cases of crypto scams, which will help put it back in the good graces of global regulators. So what are the possible factors that would make Musk consider partnering with or investing in Cardano? Since it entered the market in 2017, Cardano has risen by more than 762%. The current Cardano crypto price is 75 cents a dollar, which has decreased almost 7.5% from its previous price. Meanwhile, when looking over the past 30 days, the Cardano price is down 34.3%, falling along with the bearish crypto markets. Recent updates from the Cardano developers, Input-Output Hong Kong, contained some exciting updates for the future of the cryptocurrency. Further, 3 major improvements have been made to the coin platform recently to improve the ability of the coin to execute smart contracts. In addition to these, the coin network has gained powerful enhancements and improvements. The developers said further updates are coming soon, including the deployment of a light wallet, a decentralized app store, new development tools, APIs, and sidechains. As stated by the company, the changes will be gradually implemented to provide maximum safety to its users and holders. A coin's increased capabilities should lead to broader adoption, likely leading to wider use and acceptance. Moreover, Cardano added multiple smaller updates throughout the first quarter of 2022, helping to streamline some of the common processes. These improvements included integrating a database layer into Cardano's wallet and completing new transaction workflows to mint and burn tokens. In addition to this, crypto markets have been declining over the past few weeks, as we know. Since November, the market has been down over 20%, according to an index of the largest 10 currencies. The last crypto bull peaked in November 2021, when Cardano reached a price of over $3. Although this may seem demoralizing, it may also prove an excellent opportunity to stock up on ADA and other cryptos. There is a good chance that a crypto bull market will occur within a few years, so today's prices might offer a huge discount down the road. Despite a bearish market, Cardano's project lines are constantly being improved. Consequently, investors should be confident in the project since it has increasing utility. What sets Cardano apart from many other meme coins is its rising utility. Dogecoin, for example, has no real-world utility outside of its status as a publicly traded currency. Due to the increasing rise of other high-utility projects like Cardano may cause its downfall in the future. A bullish Cardano forecast seems to be supported by this information, which is why many analysts see long-term value in ADA. Having the utility available now could act as a slingshot when crypto markets begin to pick up again, which will lead to ADA's price rising to new levels and possibly exceeding its previous record. Similarly, it's said that Cardano's price will be returning to $1 after these events, but what events exactly are these? Since the peak of the Cardano price in September 2021, the price has continued to drop non-stop. The ADA market price has not risen significantly in the past several months and has fallen steadily. And a break below a stable support level, however, would likely be the decisive event that would start a minor uptrend. In the 3 months since setting up the range high, ADA has fallen 32% to where it currently trades $0.841. With a few more days to the downside, we will likely see Cardano's pricing sweep to the range low at $0.776 and collect the sell stop liquidity. In light of this development, we are likely to see the trend accelerate to retest the range's midpoint at $1.01 after a 30% rally. Further, ADA can transform this obstacle into a foothold for further gains if its bullish case is highly constructive. This will allow ADA bulls to advance to the $0.09 hurdle, after which the buying pressure may decline. At least 40% of the rally to the $1.09 threshold is possible. A sweep below the range low at $0.776 is an excellent opportunity to buy ADA at a discount, but a slow recovery will indicate weak bulls. The ADA could slide lower and retest $0.672 under such a scenario. Also, the bearish thesis will be invalidated by a lower down if the daily candlestick closes below the $0.672 level. In addition, proponents have noted an increase in whale transactions on Cardano's network. The number of whale transactions exceeding $100,000 has topped $16.74 billion as ADA accumulates among large wallet investors. Due to this, Cardano's price has a chance to come back as whale activity on Ethereum's Killers network increases. Furthermore, a rise in the number of Cardano addresses has been noted by its proponents. There are more than 5.3 million wallet addresses in the ADA network, and over 50,000 of those wallet addresses are active, transacting regularly on the blockchain. There is an interesting correlation between the rise in whale wallets and the rise in big wallet investment activity. There have been transactions exceeding $100,000, in which whales have traded over $16 billion in ADA this past week. Also, a surge in whale activity usually signals the start of a rally in the price of the altcoin. About Cardano, there is an increase in trade volume and an accumulation of whales. The holders of large wallets have accumulated an impressive amount of money in Cardano, adding it to their portfolios. The Into the Block data shows nearly 83,500 addresses previously bought 27.7 billion ADA tokens at an average of $0.92. For the price of Cardano to remain in an upward trend, it must take over the supply wall. Moreover, the Cardano price trend has been evaluated by analysts and bullish signs have been identified. Cardano's price will rally to $1.7 if it breaks key resistance at 95 cents, according to Crypto Capo, a pseudonymous crypto analyst and trader. But if ADA fails to cross resistance, it may fall to support between 45 cents and 50 cents in the short term. What do you think about this? Let us know in the comments below and make sure you click the subscribe and bell buttons.